Hey fam, so in this video I want to share with you a simple side hustle that you can start immediately after you finish watching this video. For some of you that are going to take this seriously and put in the maximum effort, I can assure you that before the end of the month you can even possibly make up to $300 implementing this particular method. The reason I'm so confident in this method is because I myself have used it before, especially during my university days, and I can assure you that this method will work, especially for those that are willing to put in the effort. This side hustle can be done from the comfort of your home, from anywhere around the world, whether you are a student, a stay-at-home mom, or just someone who wants to earn some extra income on the side. The only thing that you need to get started is a mobile device or a computer and an internet connection. Now when you turn over to the screen, you can see this is $28.26 that I received as payment after offering the service that I'm going to show you in this video. Here is another payment that I received of $28.53 after offering the same service, and here is another payment of $17.54. Now as you can see, the amount you're going to earn will vary depending on the client you're going to get with this particular method. And if I'm being honest with you, I used to offer this service while I was still at university, and for some reason I actually stopped offering the service because the workload was just getting too enormous. However, with the advancement in technology right now, having a lot of clients will not be too difficult for you to handle. So without further ado, the side hustle I'm talking about is offering typing as a service, and the good part about this one is that you won't even need to do the typing yourself. The only thing you'll be doing is copy and pasting into Google documents. Now the reason you'd want to offer typing as a service is because of the huge demand there is for this kind of job. In almost any field, there are people who are needed to do some typing work. If you visit any university, you find a lot of queues at internet cafes of people needing help with typing service, either for their assignments, for their notes, or whatever they want, maybe old documents, they want their old books to be typed out. So there is huge demand for this service, and in order for us to make at least $100 in a day, we would need to get at least 4 clients, and each client should be paying us at least $25 per typing work that we do for them. And as you saw from my results, I was getting at least $28 per client for the typing work. So if you are actually able to get even more clients, the more money you would make. So to get started with this side hustle, the first thing you'd need is to find any notebook from your house. It can be a notebook that you had from your past. Maybe you are using it at school, at university, at college, or maybe if you don't have any of your own notebooks with you, you can get a notebook from any of your relatives or anyone that has any notebook. Just grab any notebook that you are able to find, and once you have that notebook, what you want to do, make sure there are notes in that notebook. So you'd want to open up the notebook and find a page where maybe you have handwritten notes. So once you have the page opened up where the handwritten notes are, you want to get your mobile device and you want to snap some pictures from the notebook, and preferably I would advise you to get at least different pages of your notebook. So the next thing you'd want to do is simply go to Google and search for Google Docs, and from the first results just click on it, and once it opens up, make sure that the address is showing docs.google.com, and from here you want to start a new document by clicking right here where it says blank document. So once your blank document is opened up, the next thing you want to do is to open up ChatGPT. Now if you're on your mobile device, you can simply download the application for ChatGPT, and once you have it downloaded, you want to make sure you sign in. Similarly, even on your computer, you want to make sure you sign in, because there might be a point in time where you might want to go back to the work so that you can refer to some of the things that you did. That's why it's important you sign in to keep track of your work. Now make sure you start a new chat right here by clicking the pencil icon, and it should open up something like this even on your mobile device. And that's the good thing about this side hustle, because it's not a must that you should have a computer or a laptop. You can do everything that I'm showing you right now on your mobile device. So right here you see this icon, which is the icon for attach files. You're going to click on it, and from your computer or your mobile device, you are going to upload those screenshots that you actually took of your notebook. You are going to upload them, the handwritten notes. I'm going just to upload one for demonstration purposes, but in your case what I advise is upload 3. Maybe you'd want one maybe history, the other one maybe English, the other one maybe any other subject. so that you can show that you can do for any type of typing work. Okay, and simply click open. And once your images are uploaded to ChatGPT, all you have to do is tell the AI to actually type it out for you. You can simply type in something like type this for me, as simple as that, and just simply click this arrow icon, which is the enter option. And now take a look at ChatGPT has gone right ahead and actually typed out everything that was on the page, and it took less than a few seconds to actually do everything. We can even compare with what was in the image. Like for example, here when you look at the image, the heading was research and the last word was setup. And if we look right here, you can see it started with research, and let's go right here, you can see the last word setup. Everything is typed out as it is in the document. So all you have to do is copy this manually. You just copy it as it is. When you copy this, you just go to your Google Documents right here, and you want to paste it like that. Okay, you paste it. You see everything is well organized, well formatted, and looks professionally done. Now sometimes you might have a client who doesn't want maybe any formats right here, and you can just simply edit it out as you would normally do even in Word or any typing software. A few things you'd want to do after pasting in your text is to change the font and the font size. So right here you just simply click Ctrl A, or you can just simply highlight everything manually, and right here where it's showing your font, you want to click on here, and you want just to find Times New Roman, and just simply click on it. You can see that the entire font has been changed for our document, and the next thing is to change the font size. So you just simply click this plus icon, just click on it, maybe 12. It depends with what your client wants. So let's just go right ahead and maybe leave it at 14, or let's go with 13 like that. So once you have that, the next thing you're going to do, make sure you give it a title. Now when you be giving your title, you want to give it the title depending with your client. Sometimes you can use your client's name, or you can use the assignment's name, whatever you're typing out, so that you can easily remember. And once you do that, you're going to click on File, and here you're going to click on Download. Now you're going to download the document in two different versions. The first one you're going to download in Microsoft Word. Now why you're downloading in Microsoft Word is because most people, this is the typing tool or software they use. So you're going to download it in Microsoft Word, and next you're going to download the document in PDF. So simply click File, Download, and simply select PDF text. Now the reason we're doing this is so that when we come to the marketing part, or maybe when we're advertising our service, we are going to use these documents as our samples or as part of our portfolio or the work that we are able to do. So make sure you actually download this, and like I already advised, make sure you do for at least 3 types of documents. Maybe if you do, let's say even for mathematics, you can do that, and make sure you have Word and PDF. If you want to take it further, you can even add PowerPoint. Now I'm not going to show how you do it for PowerPoint in that video. Unless you want me to do a video on that, you can let me know in the comment section. By the way, don't forget to give the video a like and share this information with others that you know would also want to make some money online. So once you've done this, you've managed to get some snaps with your mobile device from your notebook, and you have them on your mobile device or your computer. You've also uploaded them to ChatGPT and written down the notes, and you've finally copied them to your Google Documents and downloaded the final versions in Word and PDF format. The next thing now is to let people know of your wonderful and amazing service. So right now in the description, you'll find this text written for you, and you're going to copy this text. Just go right ahead and read it out for you. So it says, hey guys, with an emoji right here, which brings attention when you're marketing. Make sure you use emojis, especially when you're marketing on social media. And you're going to say, I'm offering super affordable and reliable typing services to make your life easier. Please guys, you can snap a photo of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp, and in brackets you want to add your WhatsApp number, and you can also give them an option, they can send it to you via email. Now I advise you don't add your email right here, because when they, let's say they reach out and WhatsApp you, you can give them your email if they prefer sending the documents via email. Then if you have a hard copy, you can drop it off and I'll type it up for you. Now the reason you're adding this statement is so that if you have local clients, especially because this works very well with local clients, especially if you're trying to make money fast, the easiest clients you're going to get are people who already know you. All right, so you're going to add this one. If you have a hard copy, you can drop it off and I'll type it out for you. Then you can say, I'll get it done quickly and neatly, no matter the volume of the work. You don't have to break the bank to get quality typing. My rates are super cheap. Then even if you don't need it now, please help your girl or boy. Now, if you're a lady or you're a girl, you just simply say help your girl out by sharing this with your friends or anyone who might need typing services. Your support means so much to me. DM me anytime to get started. Blah 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 blah. So it is down in the description. Just copy this. So I'm going to just go right ahead, copy this, and once you copy it, you're going to open up your WhatsApp account. So you open up WhatsApp and you're going to go to WhatsApp status, and from here you're going to click on status, and right here you are going to create your own status. Now I'm using the desktop version right now, so I'm unable to show you how you do it, but I know everyone is able to post a status. So you're going to post this message on your WhatsApp status, and you see a lot of people start contacting you. The other places you can do is you can go to Facebook groups, especially university groups. You know, university students are in need of people who can type for them, and if they can find someone who can even do it online, it's much easier as for them starting to move here and about. So you can easily do that, and you can even offer the service at a very cheap price per page. It depends with your local. Find out the rates in your local currency. Now, you are not limited to only local customers. You can also offer services to people outside. Like you saw, I was getting paid using PayPal, and the reason I was getting paid using PayPal is because my clients were not local people. So I was getting paid using PayPal, but for my local clients, I was getting paid via mobile money and the like. So you would also want to do that. You go join groups that have, people need typing services, like teachers groups. You join them. You join maybe university groups, college groups, and the likes. Now make sure that the message, you can change this message to suit however you want, but don't sound too professional. The reason most people don't get hired is because we want to sound more professional. This message sounds friendly and has that, they're like, I need this, please, I need this to work. Okay, so most people, sometimes some of the people even give you the service or give you the job simply they feel that it's one way of helping you out, like you sound a bit desperate and the likes. So that's why we're using a friendly tone. So if you have any question, make sure you let me know in the comment section. Wishing you luck. You can check out my other videos and let me know if you get results with this. Let me know, come back to the video, let me know, and I'll be happy to know that some people are actually taking action with my videos. Thank you very much.